welcome to our channel Technical Knowledge with Engineers. Myself Arya Turkar, and today I am going to tell you about Rutherford scattering experiment. If we are talking about Rutherford scattering experiment, we should know one thing, that is, it is the first step towards the nuclear atoms. Origin of the atomic model. Sir J.J. Thomson discovered electron in 1897. After 1 year, he suggested an atomic model in which atoms are just positive charge loomed of matter in which electrons are embedded in them, which is not correct in the way the model could not explain all features of visible spectrum of hydrogen atom and other elements. Rutherford performed a number of experiments with Jaeger and Marsden on the scattering of alpha particle by a very thin gold foil. Thomson model couldn't explain the experimental result. Ernest Rutherford, Glance at Scientific Life, born on 30 August 1871, a New Zealand British chemist and physicist, known as the father of nuclear physics, at McGill University, discovered the concept of radioactivity half-life, proved that radioactivity involved the transmission of one chemical element to another, and also differentiated and named alpha and beta radiation, proved that the formation was essentially helium ions. Awarded with Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1908 for his investigation into the disintegration of the element and the chemistry of radioactive substances. He remained the only Nobel Prize winner to perform his most famous work after receiving the prize. That was Rutherford atomic model and obviously discovery of nucleus. Rutherford nuclear atomic model. Rutherford model was accepted because he proved scattering of alpha particle with mathematical formula. Atom consists of central massive nucleus in which all the positive charge and most of the mass are concentrated. A cloud of negative charge electrons surrounding this nucleus. They are moving around the nucleus. Most of the space in atom is empty. Rutherford experiment of scattering of alpha particle are categorized into four terms. This is the experimental arrangement of the Rutherford scattering experiment, in which alpha particle is emitted on the gold thin foil and then scattered, and his observations. Most of the alpha particle were scattered by small deviation while passing through gold foil. There were a few particles that were scattered through large angle. One of about 8,000 particles suffered angle of scattering greater than 90. A few of them go ahead on collision. Theory of alpha particle scattering. Assuming alpha particle and nucleus are point charges, impact parameter B is the minimum distance to which alpha particle would approach the nucleus if there is no force between them. B equal to 0 for head-on collision. Distance of closest approach D is the minimum distance to which particle approaches nucleus head-on. Scattering angle theta is the angle between direction of approach of alpha particle and the direction in which it recedes. At the instant of closest approach, kinetic energy of alpha particle. Kinetic energy initial is equal to potential energy, which is equal to 1 upon 4 pi mu naught into 2z into e square by d, where on the further step d equal to 2z square upon 4 lambda mu naught kinetic energy initial, where theta is the number of alpha particle per unit area that reaches the screen on scattering angle of theta, and 80 degree is this number of backward screen, which is shown in the diagram. As the result of impulse f integration dt given it by the nucleus, the momentum of the alpha particle changes by delta p from initial value p1 to the final value p2. Delta p equal to p2 minus p1, which is equal to integration f dt. Hence, the magnitude of its momentum is also same before and after, and P1 equal to P2 equal to mv. We have magnitude from momentum changes. Delta P equal to 2 mv sine theta by 2. Impulse integration f dt is the same direction as delta P, where P1 equal to P2 equal to mv, del P upon sine theta equal to mv upon sine lambda upon theta by 2. And here is the now its mathematical calculation till its final step. Electron orbits the planetary model. Electron cannot be stationary in this model because there is nothing to balance the force of nucleus. If the electron in motion, however dynamically stable orbit are possible like those of the planet around the sun. Rutherford assumed circular orbit for convenience, though it might be reasonable to assume it to be elliptical in shape. The centripetal force holding the electron in an orbit from the nucleus is provided by the electrical forces. The condition for dynamic stable orbit is given in this diagram. Total energy of atom hydrogen E is given by Ke plus Pe, which is shown in the above diagram. The total energy is negative. This holds for every atomic electron. This reflects the fact that it is bound to the nucleus. Failure of the Rutherford model. By the application of Newton's law of motions and Coulomb law, experimental observation that atoms are stable but accelerated electron changes radiates energy in the form of electromagnetic wave. An electron accelerating in curved path should continuously lose energy. Spiraling into the nucleus is a friction of a second, but atoms do not collide. And lastly, I say thank you.